Riverside County health clubs and fitness centers also now allowed to reopen indoor operations at limited capacity, with the county now in the red tier. News Channel 3's Tom Tucker continuing live team coverage in Palm Desert with more on that, including what one health club manager is doing to keep everyone safe. Tom.
Well, John, health clubs and fitness centers here in Riverside County have gotten the clearance to allow their members to start working out inside once again, but at 10% capacity. And that is certainly the case for the EOS behind us here in Palm Desert, where we've seen a steady stream of people in and out here this afternoon. Now, earlier today, I spoke with a manager at another health club in Palm Desert who says this reopening can't come soon enough. He says the pandemic and resulting business closure has left him in very tough financial shape. Members are working out once again at Power Fitness in Palm Desert. Those we spoke with say at least now they can resume their fitness routines interrupted by the COVID-19 pandemic.
I think it's great. You know, people need to get out and exercise and keep a healthy lifestyle, you know.
The news also taking the weight off the shoulders of health club operators, including Ken Ebner, who says for most of the past 6 months, his 2,900 members were not being charged their monthly dues, while most of his expenses continued, leaving him with what he calls heavy debt.
You know, we've been able to kind of, squeak by, as you say, and, the reopening does help us out a lot. So now we can, start to get back to business.
This sign on the wall of the main workout area shows maximum occupancy for the space is 179. Ebner says he and his staff are ready to enforce the 10% limit for the number of people working out. They also have some cardio machines taped off to help members maintain proper social distancing. Ebner says some of the extra steps they're taking aimed at keeping members and staff safe include installing extra hand sanitizers, doubling their cleaning schedule, and requiring members to use towels to wipe down equipment. Gyms and health clubs in the county were allowed to reopen for about 4 weeks back in June, but were ordered to close indoor activities again when the number of confirmed cases of coronavirus in the county spiked. Ebner hopes it doesn't happen again.
It has been very tough for the past 6 months, so I hope this is the final phase of the shutdown, but we'll have to see.
Now, Ebner says even with reduced capacity and reduced hours that he's offering at his gym, he says he's happy that things seem to be simply moving now in the right direction once again. Live in Palm Desert, Tom Tucker, News Channel 3.
Thank you, Tom.